Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Lambda with DynamoDB for serverless apps. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service. Click on the Create Function button. Select Author from scratch. Provide a name for your Lambda function. Choose a runtime, such as Python or Node.js, based on your preference. Set the execution role. You can create a new role with basic Lambda permissions or select an existing role. After configuring the basic settings, click the Create Function button. Once the function is created, scroll to the function code section. Choose the appropriate code editor. Write the function code that will interact with DynamoDB. Make sure to import the necessary libraries and SDKs. Incorporate the logic for accessing your DynamoDB table. Scroll down to the Configuration tab. Locate the Triggers section. Click on Add Trigger. Select an event source for your function, if needed. For this guide, we can skip triggers for now. Scroll to the Permissions section. Click on the role name to open the IAM console. Add the necessary policies for accessing DynamoDB. Attach the policy allowing actions like dynamod put item or dynamod get item. Ensure that the policy is correctly applied to the role. Now, navigate to the DynamoDB service in the AWS Management Console. Click on Create Table. Define the table name and primary key attributes. Choose other settings based on your application needs. Click on the Create button. Once the table is created, note the table name for your Lambda function. Return to your Lambda function code. Insert the table name into your function code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.